We all know how good fruits are for our health, but you may not know about the amazing powers of some fruits to slow down aging. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 anti-aging fruits. Add these to your diet to improve your health and vitality. These aren't just any fruits. They're nutritional powerhouses packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals to transform your skin, your energy, and your overall well-being. And the 5th food on our list of age-defying superfoods is the humble raisin. Don't let their small size fool you. Raisins are packed with benefits. They're a great addition to a balanced diet, especially if you're looking to fight the signs of aging. Thanks to their high fiber content, raisins aid digestion, support gut health, and prevent constipation. I suggest adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of raisins to your diet every day. If you prefer, you can also rehydrate them to increase their nutritional value. Some studies show that regular raisin consumption has cognitive benefits and helps combat age-related memory decline, thanks to their antioxidants and phytochemicals that fight oxidative stress. Additionally, raisins are rich in potassium, important for maintaining healthy blood pressure, and dietary fiber, which helps regulate cholesterol levels. They are also a good source of boron, a mineral crucial for bone health and preventing osteoporosis. Raisins also provide iron, essential for red blood cell production and preventing anemia. In short, raisins not only aid in good digestion, but also support mental health, cardiovascular health, strengthen bones, and help prevent anemia. They are therefore a valuable addition to a balanced diet, especially for those who want to maintain their overall well-being as they age. In 4th place, we find the noni. Discover Morinda citrifolia, commonly known as noni, an evergreen tree with large leaves and fruits that look like they came straight out of a science fiction movie. Noni is found mainly in the Pacific Islands, Southeast Asia, Australia, and India. And it's known for its incredible versatility. Every part of this plant, from the roots to the stems, from the bark to the leaves, even the flowers and fruits, has been used in traditional medicine. The fruit, in particular, is known for its benefits for digestive and hormonal health, for controlling blood pressure, and for treating chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. It can also support memory and help prevent Alzheimer's disease. Used externally as a poultice, noni helps treat burns, rashes, muscle, and joint pain. Noni leaves are known for their detoxifying properties, while the root is traditionally used to relieve toothaches. However, as with any natural remedy, it's important not to take too much. Even noni can have side effects if you take too much, so it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any treatment. The juice of this fruit is truly packed with nutrients, rich in potassium, vitamin C, vitamin A, and many other compounds essential for cell repair and strengthening the immune system. Our noni fruits are harvested directly from the tree and then carefully washed several times to remove any impurities, as their porous surface makes them similar to pineapple. Once washed and dried, the noni fruits are ready to be processed. More and more people are discovering the benefits of this extraordinary fruit. Herbal medicine practitioners say that noni has been successfully tested for its ability to fight cancer, control blood pressure, improve physical performance, slow skin aging, and even treat diabetes. Laboratory studies have shown its antioxidant properties, its ability to stimulate the immune system, and its anti-tumor effects. Before we continue, tell me in the comments what your favorite fruit is. Leave it here in the comments. And in 3rd place, we have lemons. A real powerhouse of nutrition that becomes even more important for those over 50. Let's take a look at why this citrus fruit deserves so much attention, especially when it comes to aging and overall well-being. One of the main benefits of lemons lies in controlling blood pressure, an issue that becomes increasingly relevant with age. Regular consumption of lemons, particularly fresh juice, has been linked to better regulation of blood pressure levels. This is fundamental because blood pressure tends to increase naturally over time, and keeping it at healthy levels is crucial for protecting cardiovascular health and overall well-being. Besides contributing to blood pressure control, lemons are known for their immune-boosting properties, an aspect that becomes increasingly crucial over the years when the body's defenses weaken. Among the key components, we highlight the high content of vitamin C, essential for strengthening the body's ability to fight off illness and infection. After the age of 50, it is particularly important to keep the immune system strong, and lemons are a powerful ally in this regard. But the benefits of lemons don't stop there. They also play an important role in promoting digestive health. Thanks to the natural acids and enzymes present in lemon juice, this citrus fruit facilitates more efficient digestion and helps to solve digestive problems common among the elderly. Finally, lemons also have positive effects on the skin, helping to combat the signs of aging. The antioxidants and vitamin C they contain protect the skin from free radical damage, helping to maintain a more youthful and healthy appearance. In addition, topical application of lemon juice can help lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. One more reason why lemons are a fundamental part of a balanced diet, especially for those who want to preserve their health and vitality as they age. Now, let's talk about papaya, a fruit that's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's known to improve skin elasticity and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The main vitamins found in papaya are A, C, K, and E, each with significant benefits. Vitamin A is excellent for skin health, while vitamin C is crucial for the skin's regeneration process, helping to repair damaged cells. Vitamins K and E, in turn, contribute to the body's overall health, promoting blood clotting and protecting against oxidative damage. But what makes papaya particularly special is the presence of an enzyme called papain. Papain not only aids digestion, preventing inflammation and bloating, but it's also beneficial for the skin. This enzyme has brightening properties which help reduce blemishes and hyperpigmentation, and exfoliating properties which remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin fresh and radiant. Additionally, papaya combats oxidative stress, protecting cells from premature aging and prolonging their vitality. And lastly, let's not forget about kiwis. They're small but mighty. These exotic fruits are one of the best sources of vitamin C, even more than oranges. Vitamin C in kiwis not only boosts your immune system, but also helps your body make collagen. Collagen keeps your skin firm, stretchy, and bright, which can help prevent wrinkles. But the benefits of kiwis don't stop at vitamin C. These fruits are a great source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, which can help prevent wrinkles. Plus, kiwi is rich in folic acid, which is essential for making red blood cells and fighting anemia, a condition that is common, especially in older women. Kiwis are also packed with fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are essential for a healthy digestive system. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, while insoluble fiber keeps things moving smoothly in your gut and helps prevent constipation. On top of that, kiwi is an excellent source of potassium, a crucial mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure and promoting cardiovascular health. Additionally, this fruit contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect eye health, helping to prevent diseases like age-related macular degeneration. This becomes particularly important as we age and our vision naturally declines. With their unique and refreshing taste, along with their wealth of nutrients, kiwis are an ideal addition to any diet aimed at fighting aging. Including kiwis in your daily diet not only contributes to improving overall health, but also helps maintain youthful skin, improves digestion, and promotes eye health. Apples, on the other hand, are a classic fruit that have been enjoyed for their health benefits for centuries. Crunchy and juicy, apples are rich in essential nutrients that fight aging. The apple peel is particularly rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage, thus slowing down skin aging. Also, apples contain malic acid, a compound that helps balance pH levels in the body, promoting healthy digestion. But the benefits of apples are not limited to their antioxidant and fiber content. They are a valuable source of vitamin C, essential for strengthening the immune system and stimulating collagen production, ensuring toned and radiant skin. Apples also provide vitamin K, essential for maintaining bone strength and preventing osteoporosis, one of the main concerns with aging. And let's not forget the soluble fiber in apples, which helps regulate cholesterol levels and promote a feeling of fullness, making them valuable allies in weight control. Thanks to their irresistible flavor and versatility in the kitchen, apples are an essential ingredient in any anti-aging diet. Eating apples regularly not only promotes healthy skin and good digestion, but also helps strengthen the immune system and protect bones, making them precious allies for living a long and healthy life. Though small in size, blueberries are giants in the world of antioxidants. These blue gems are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidant compounds that protect our cells from damage and fight early aging. But their benefits don't stop there. Blueberries are also an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full, making blueberries a valuable ally in weight management. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, aids digestion and helps prevent constipation, a common problem as we age. Blueberries also provide vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and boosts collagen production, keeping skin firm and radiant. Additionally, they're rich in vitamin K, crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. But blueberries don't just improve skin, digestion, and bone health. They're also great for your heart. These tiny berries not only help regulate cholesterol levels, but also contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to all this, blueberries are also known for their beneficial effects on cognitive function. Several studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory and concentration, making them a valuable ally as we age. With their sweet, refreshing taste and wealth of nutrients, blueberries are a delicious way to reap the many anti-aging benefits they offer. Each fruit offers unique advantages for combating aging and preserving overall health. When eaten together, these fruits boost their age-defying potential. Adding them to your daily routine is easy, whether it's through smoothies or beauty treatments. There's no reason to wait. Start your journey to a younger, healthier, and more energetic life today. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share this video. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.